Good morning, everybody. Wake up to a wonderful, happy, joyful week because happiness lies in the way we look at things in life. It may be whatever happens around. If we want to remain happy and if we want to be alive and if we want to thrive, then let us start with a smile. आज आप लोगों के साथ में मैं एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। ये 6 साल पहले की बात है। मैं मेरा परिवार, मेरे माँ बाप, मेरे ब्रदर्स, मेरे बच्चे सब चेन्नई में थे, आईआईटी मद्रास के कैंपस में थे, क्योंकि उस दिन मेरे बेटे का आईआईटी मद्रास में एडमिशन हुआ और उस दिन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम था। एंड देयर वाज सो मच बज़ विद 800 न्यू स्टूडेंट्स बीइंग इंडक्टेड इनटू आईआईटी मद्रास इन दैट ईयर। देखने में ऐसा मेला लगा था। तो कुछ लोग थे जिनके माँ बाप वीआईपीज़ थे, उन आईएएस या आईपीएस में ये ऐसे लोग थे जिनके साथ में एस्कॉर्ट्स, आर्मी ऑफिसर्स ये सब थे। तो कुछ ऐसे बहुत से पेरेंट्स थे जो सिर्फ एक ठेला हाथ में लेके, प्लास्टिक का बैग लेके, उसके अंदर बेडशीट भी है, हर चीज़ भी, बर्तन है, सब कुछ है, लेके आए हुए। और वो शायद तेलंगाना के किसी गांव से थे, कोई यूपी के, कोई दूर के गांव से थे, बिहार से थे। और उनको शायद ये कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि आईआईटी मद्रास में उनको बेटे को या उनके बच्चे बेटी को एडमिशन मिलने का मतलब क्या है। और फिर हम 3000 पेरेंट्स, रिलेटिव्स और 800 बच्चे आईआईटी मद्रास के ऑडिटोरियम में बैठे थे। एंड डॉक्टर भास्कर राव, द डायरेक्टर, rose up, walked up to the mic and started his talk. He said, "Welcome to 0.05 brainiest young men and women of our country, India. We welcome you into this campus, into our institute, not only to teach you computer science, aeronautics, chemical engineering, biosciences, but we will teach you, train you and nurture you to change the fortune of a 1.3 billion Indians. We will train you to be the leaders and change makers of this country." And as I was hearing those words, tears rolled down my eyes. And as I walked down that day back to the airport, I and the management had the same dream that Sacred Heart School should one day be a school that nurtures future change makers and leaders of our country. And that journey went on for last 6 years. What we are trying to achieve is what other institutions took 50 years to 100 years to make. We are quite there, very subtly, very surely. We have been changing the heart and soul, the campus, everything about Sacred Heart School. And 2020 was supposed to be the year when we step onto the stage and show how we are changed. Coronavirus has brought the brakes on it, but we as a school decided to thrive. In the traditions of Sacred Heart School, even in the most worst pandemic, we were there everywhere to be the change makers, to help doctors, to help nurses, principal staff and everything. We were there as change makers of the online learning and schooling of this world. Today you all and everybody is happy way the Sacred Heart School is giving learning and education to its students in this difficult and new and challenging environment. It is for sure that as days goes by, years go by, this dream and this vision will be fulfilled, and Sacred Heart School will lead the way through its students and its alumni in changing the world. And I would like to tell you, Mr. Khandelwal, whose email prompted me to give this talk. I want to tell Mr. Raja Rochlani, Payal Lulla's parents, Arikat's parents, Kiran More's parents, Karmik's parents, and so many parents whose Mata's family who stepped in to be that supporting Mahendra Jain. All of those who stepped in to support the wonderful transformation that is taking place at Sacred School show through the sheer faith in us. I can tell each one of you parents that you stood by us today that as years go by and your children pass out from here and become great people, and on a rainy day sitting in your balconies having tea, you can comfort yourself. You can be proud of yourself that the great institution Sacred Heart School, when it was built, you were the one who put 1 or 2 bricks in those foundations. May our dreams come true. May we change the world. Team Sacred Heart is poised to take on the world and change the world. God bless you. Have a wonderful week and a wonderful year ahead.